Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the mobile version of the Pawp app, a digital platform designed to give pet owners 24/7 access to licensed veterinarians through live chat and video calls. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pawp lets you reach out to vets anytime for advice on symptoms, behavior, and general pet care. One standout feature is the emergency fund, which offers up to $3,000 coverage once per year for a qualifying emergency, but only if approved by a Pawp vet beforehand. The app supports multiple pets on one account, which is great for families with several animals. If you've been enjoying this video so far, drop a like, it really helps. The app's biggest strengths are the round-the-clock vet access, quick response times often under a minute, and that emergency fund that can ease some financial worries. The interface is simple and user-friendly, making it easy to get help fast. However, there are some drawbacks. The emergency fund is limited to specific cases and requires pre-authorization, which can be confusing or frustrating for some users. Pawp doesn't replace regular vet visits or pet insurance, and it doesn't provide services like diagnostics or prescriptions. Vet consultations focus on general advice and might not solve complex health problems. So, is Pawp worth using? If you want quick answers and some emergency financial backup, it's a solid app to have. Just remember, it's a helpful tool, not a full substitute for hands-on veterinary care. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.